Okay, so here is the Tone TBS20 torque bit ratchet set. Tone is a Japanese company. They are a Japanese manufacturer. However, this product is made in Taiwan. So on the internet, I was able to find the same product for sale, and it does say that it is made in Taiwan. There is a similar product being sold by PrestaCycle. It has a little bit different of a gauge type. PrestaCycle does also have this exact same design, and I'll give you affiliate links on Amazon for the PrestaCycle version of this product if you don't want to buy this from Amazon Japan, or if for some reason Amazon Japan stops shipping it directly to the United States. All right, so here is the red plastic case. Some of these smaller Tone bit ratchet sets come in an optional metal case. So here's the bit ratchet. The bits that are included with this on the cross types, they give you duplicates of size 1, 2, and 3 different sizes of flats. You get 4, 5, 6, and 8 on the hex, and then you get security torques, including a security 27. And then you get the small socket adapter. So there's no bit extension or anything like that in this set. So on this bit ratchet, you use the dial to zero it out. Then you use this handle to get the torque reading. Let's take a look at this in action. So this works as a normal ratchet. Don't want to push on this when you're loosening. Yes, the instructions do say that when you're reading the torque, use it in the right direction, which is tightening, and don't use it in the left rotation direction, which is loosening, because doing so may cause damage to the tightening parts, and etc. So only use the torque measurement part when you're tightening. And then we've got the thumb wheel for finger tightening, because there is a fair amount of back drag. So then we use this thumb wheel to zero this out. So let's go to 0. There's 3 Newton meters. And it's not zeroed. So let's just use the VeriSafe torque. Set that at 3 Newton meters, see what happens. Okay, it seemed like it was at 3. Okay, let's put this at 4. We'll put 4 Newton meters on there. Let's try this. Okay, let's zero this out. Oh, yeah, it moved right at 4. Okay, all right, so let's go to 5. Okay, now it's not zeroed out. Wow, that's really weird how that doesn't zero out each time. Okay, there's 5 Newton meters. We'll put 5 on the VeriSafe torque. See if it moves it at all. No, it seemed to be pretty close. Let's zero that out. There's 6, 7, 8. Man, 8 Newton meters. Boy, even 8 Newton meters on this little thing is a lot. And it's weird that it doesn't zero out when it's done, but There's 9. There's 10 Newton meters. Yeah, you don't really want to do more than 10 Newton meters with this thing. I don't know. It's probably strong enough to do a little bit more than 10 Newton meters, but that seems like kind of a lot. So, well, it does it, 10 Newton meters. So I wonder how the low end accuracy is on this. So here's the 1.4. Annex adapter will click and slip at 1.4 Newton meters. Let's just see. If it's at least under 2 on this dial. Yep. Okay. So the accuracy of this compared to these other torque tools seems to be pretty good. Cool. We can see here on the packaging that Toné is specifically marketing this for bicycle maintenance. And that does also align with the marketing that's done by Presticycle for their branded version of this product. I'll give you all the affiliate links in the description of this video. Any use of my affiliate links is greatly appreciated. Next video is going to be an update on the 1/4" spinner. If you've seen my previous video, you know why. So stay tuned for that. You know how YouTube works, and thank you for watching.